So the first thing I did was gather all my materials. I've got scissors, plastic gloves, a hair tie, some hair clips just in case, a big tooth comb. This is just a regular paintbrush. Kool Aid, this is unsweetened, no sugar added, grape, so because my son wants purple streaks in his hair. I also have something to tie back his hair just in case, and then just some regular conditioner. And the last thing, because I'm not doing his whole head one color, I'm trying to separate his hair. So you know how like when you get highlights they do the little aluminum foil tint? It's not really aluminum foil. It's the closest that I have. So I'm going to use these to section his hair off after I do like the individual highlights.
Nice and soft.
Be careful, the edges are actually pretty hard. So you want to be careful when you're touching it. You can cut yourself with aluminum foil. So these are the materials, and then I'll show you what I do next. My daughter is just having the tips of her hair done. And we went ahead and mixed 1 cup of hot water with 2 packets of Kool Aid. I poured it into a container that I don't mind getting stained. And she is sitting back on 2 couch cushions. Now, she was a little short, so I had to stack the cup to make it tall enough to fit her hair. But she will sit here for 15 minutes while I do my son's hair. Yes, ma'am.
Also, I'm going to watch TV.
She is going to watch TV.
She will.
So next, I have opened 3 packages of the grape Kool Aid. I have poured them into this. Now I'm going to take that conditioner, and I'm just going to squirt enough in there to kind of, I'll take the conditioner and I will squirt just enough in there to mix it up and to kind of make it a paste. So we'll get quite a bit. There's 3 packages of Kool Aid, so. Okay, and then I'm going to stir it. Now as you can see, it's really thick. See that? Which is okay because it'll actually spread on the hair a lot better when it's thick. But I'm going to add maybe about a tablespoon of water just to loosen it up a little. So here's Sam with a kitten behind his head. Oh, that's his Prince. There's Stubby. Hi, Stubbs.
Prince, do not see what look in the pin.
That's Prince. So we've got this in his hair. I was going to do purple and some red, but the purple ended up being, yeah, it's blue. Look at this. That is pretty blue.
What's this?
Okay, don't move. Iris is sitting here.
What's a cup on my head?
No cup, it's plastic bag. Yep.
Oh.
So her streaks are in and they're ready. And I am going to go ahead and clip her back up. And here we are the next day with Iris's hair and the red, which that came out really well. She's got a lot of hair. We also did some little chunks of blue that don't pick up real well here, but you can see them up here. She's still asleep. And over here. Where are we at? There we are. I think leaving it in there for that 15 minutes and then on her head for an extra 30 really helped. So tonight we are doing blue highlights on Iris's head, and the red is still in, and the red looks really good. Let's see if we can show you in the back. But we didn't have a lot of blue the other night, so we're doing that now. So here you can still see the red. It's just, we did a fade, so it's just down there at the bottom. But aluminum foil, blue Kool Aid. You gonna stay awake, chick? Maybe. So on Sam, we are using hair dye, lightning, to do some highlights in his head. Now, Sam already had blonde hair, but it started turning brown this year. And we wanted to put some blue color in it, but his hair was too dark. So, I mean, you can see it's there. See some, like right there, but that's as much as it would show. So we were going to streak his hair and highlight it a little bit, and then if he wanted to try blue or something again, we can do it later.